South Korea has suspended the availability of China-based company DeepSeek's AI-based chatbot from both Apple App Store and Google Play Store by saying privacy as the reason for this action. So now South Korean people cannot download the DeepSeek app, but whoever already downloaded, they can continue using it. But the South Korean government has advised them not to share any personal information with the DeepSeek app. Anyway, anyone can continue using the DeepSeek from web-based browsers. It seems the DeepSeek company is working with South Korean authorities so that they can address the privacy concerns and they will make the DeepSeek app available again. It seems millions of people from South Korea downloading the DeepSeek app, so the government has started scrutinizing it. Actually, DeepSeek's new reasoning model R1 is performing comparable to OpenAI's O1 model. But the cost for developing, training and running R1, DeepSeek R1 is very low compared to OpenAI's O1.